Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your game history in the chess.com app using phone. If you're a chess player who wants to analyze past games, track your progress, or review key moves, this tutorial is for you. First, open the chess.com app on your phone device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Then, scroll down and tap on the Analysis option. After that, tap on Game History. This is where you'll find a complete list of all the games you've played on chess.com. Finally, if you want to dive deeper into a specific match, simply tap on the name of the player or the game. This will open a detailed analysis showing all the moves, mistakes, blunders, and suggested improvements. That's how you can easily access and review your game history on the chess.com app.